So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this title slide. So first, we're going to want to start off with a blank slide. Then you want to paste your image on the slide. Once you've pasted your image, go to Picture Format, click on Crop, and move the handles to the edges of the slide. Then, open the drop-down menu for Crop and click on Fill. This will fill the entire slide with your picture. If required, you can also move your image up or down. Then insert the first line of your title. Then go to Shape Format, click on Align, and Align Center. This will make sure that your text is centered correctly on the slide. Next, insert a rectangle by going to Insert and clicking on Shapes, then on the rectangle. And make sure this rectangle covers a small part of the bottom of the first line of your text, but not enough to make it illegible. If required, you can increase the size slightly and also move the first line of your text slightly higher up. Then, duplicate the first line of your text by holding down Ctrl and clicking and dragging on it. Fit this within the center of your rectangle. Then change this text to the second line of your title. Then click on the rectangle, right click and click on Format Shape. Then click on Line and change the line to No Line. Then close line, click on Fill and change the fill to a color that suits the background that you have chosen. Now right click and duplicate the slide. Then go back to the first slide. Select the first line, second line, and rectangle, and click on Shape Format, Align, and Align Center, and Align Middle. Then move all three off the slide. Then click on your background, click on Picture Format, and click on Crop again, and move the picture slightly downwards. Then select both slides, go to Transitions, and click on Morph. And before we look at our result, scroll down till you see the objects off screen, then select the second line of your title and move it down below the rectangle. Now, let's look at our result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with the constant tutorials, tips, and tricks in PowerPoint. Stay tuned.